Are we going, people? Am I back? Am I live? What's been happening? Hey, Maz. Hey, people. Looks like you guys had a good time. I like it when I come to a chat and people are going, we're talking about E19s and 20s. Ah, Complex was free. It's all right, Maz. I mean, like, look, I mean, you give it a go. Hey, Drew, how was it, Drew? Integration was easy as. $24 for a complex. It's so funny. I'm just sitting here reading your guys' comments, and it's a lot of people going. Complex was easy. Differentiation was hard. Hey, Banty. I'm glad to hear that, Luca. That was a lot of work we put in. 30 hours this year. There was Newton's cooling question. Ripstick, did you have to remember the equation, or was the equation given to you? You wouldn't let me down, Razzie. Not sure, Tamani, when the exams are coming out. Differentiation was easy. I saw one question from someone actually messaged me. I think it might have been Daniel. Did you message me, Daniel, about that complex number question? Oh man, can't keep up with the comments. Sweet Mars, I'll catch you next year. What? Someone was saying complex was easy. No equation. But you guys remember the equation, right? That was there. Wait, what? Are you serious, Drew? You're thinking that it's differentiation was a 24 out of 24. Wow, that's impressive. Not sure, Dahlia. I haven't seen Dahlia in a while. Yeah, I saw Daniel. I hope I got that question. No, I don't have the paper, Sandit. Oh no, J Crow. Well, how are the other two integration questions, mate? How are they? E7 for the differentiation. The answer is y equals x. Lauren, you might get away with a 7 for that. Oh, Swant, really? I thought you would have cracked a couple of excellents there. Was that something similar to who was it that was doing it? I think it was one of the girls, somebody was doing it in our thing about adjusting the clocks. I can read that, Maz. Okay. First integration was suspicious. Oh, look, you don't have to do that, man. It's all good. But thank you anyway, but you didn't have to. So, okay, let's go with this. Let's start with complex numbers first. Complex numbers, what do we look? I'm going to actually see if I can create a poll. I think I can create a poll. Yes, I can create a poll, can't I? Start a Q&A, start a poll. Okay, let's go. Complex. Create a poll, ask a question. Complex. NA achieved, add option, merit, add option, excellence. There we go. Let's have a look at this. What do you guys think we're expecting for complex numbers? I'm just going to create a little poll. Oh, I hope it worked. Okay, there we go. Let's chuck it up and see what happens. Well, that is crazy. Okay, we're starting to adjust some numbers here. We got 148 people here. We got about 66 votes in there. Kokushibo, how can I improve my algebra? It's all about just practicing, man. You just gotta practice a lot. Blake, you're here. How'd you go, Blake? All right, so complex numbers. We're looking at. Oh no, we've got a few more people throwing. Wow, that's insane. Like, pep bands. You're a lot of NPCs for real. Swant, Mars is at Mount Roskill, isn't it? Or Swant is at Mount, I don't know, one of the mounts. You had a printing error, Cookie? That's crazy. Oh, that's unfortunate, Blake. That's all right. Lana, I actually did that today. Very briefly. It was. I've got my working here. Let me just see if I can get my working. I had it, and here you go. Yeah. I see that question. Give me a second. Camera capture, Logitech StreamCam. There we go. Yeah, mic's in the way. Hang on. It's not gonna go, is it? Yeah, what am I gonna do? Is that gonna work? Okay, you know what? Stupid thing. Let me just rotate this. Hang on. Rotate video. How do I rotate the video? There we go. Yeah, that was my proof for that question. If you guys get E19 for that, that'd be pretty. That'd be pretty lucky. I'd say E19 is very, very kind. Okay, so that's not bad. Complex numbers, I see 25. Nice, that's some good numbers for complex numbers. All right, I'm gonna create a new poll. All right, this time I'm gonna put up for differentiation. See how we went for that. Complex numbers, there you go. That's what the final vote is. Let's go differentiation. Achieve, merit, excellence. All right, let's see what the differentiation one looks like. Now, I mean, by the sounds of number of guys that actually come out and said that how easy complex was, I would probably say they might go with 20. Combine like terms. Nah, Adidas, I think you're still writing in terms of P, Adidas, so I reckon you'd probably get away with an E8. Because you haven't actually made a mistake, you just haven't finished the question. But if it says, what is it in terms of P, I think you would have done that. Oh wow, we've got a 93% pass rate for differentiation so far. Adidas, yep, I probably answered your question there. Rico, no, I just got this question. There's no way the results are out. We're just kind of messing around with what people think they got. What's this I keep hearing about a different exam? Like, was one of the exam questions in a different page? No, no, no. I'm not gonna do any questions, guys. Just kind of having a chat here with people just to see how everything went down. I'm surprised you copied it down. Oh, the papers will come out in like a while. Oh, really? No Simpsons or trapezium rule? Thank the Lord. That was such a waste of time. Cannot believe we actually wasted 1 hour for that stupid video. Wow, that's crazy, Omniac. It's crazy that you'll actually miss the entire question paper. Like, we've got two answers, Yabla. We've got 103 degrees and then somebody's got 70 degrees. Whoa, I can't really answer that, Swant. It all depends. Like, I'm looking at, okay, looking at your guys' differentiation kind of stats that you guys have given me. Might be 20, I reckon, for excellence. Because if you guys are feeling that confident about your merits and excellence, I reckon that's going to be a 20. All right. Might be a minor error, Yabla. If you got a minor error, you might just get lucky with a E7. You reckon 21 for excellence, Daniel? Luca, yeah, there is. It's on Instagram, Luca. The form is on Instagram. Sorry, I'm rebuilding my website at the moment and I need to put a shop button in there. So it's my holiday summer project to build a website. So Luca, you can just go to Instagram and there's a form there that you can fill up and I can sort it out. Yes, Francisco Katanak, you can get a shout out. I don't know what that shout out will do for you, but okay, let's have a look. I think this is what your stats is at the moment, like 90% pass rate from you guys for differentiation, well, 89, and quite a high percentage at merit and excellence. So let's kind of have a look at integration now, just to see how you guys are going for integration. NCEA. All right, let's try integration. What do we got for this one? Now, Will, I don't have the papers with me, Will. And I usually don't like to go through papers. I mean, I'll do a couple of questions because this one was just there and I did it. But really, I kind of try and not do questions on the night because a lot of kids have still got exams. I mean, you've got biology, you've got stats. So I don't really want to kind of put some panic in people's, you know, in their mindset before the exams. Because I did that last year and I kind of felt really bad because I had a kid that messaged me and said that, you know, it was kind of giving them the opposite effect. It's getting more stressed. So that's why I'm not going to do any of the papers until the exams are over. Minor error, I don't know, finish the E question. Well, if you haven't finished the question, it might get lucky with a minor E, depending on how far you went in the question. Saj, yeah, I'll do it when I get the chance at the end of No, Jashandeep, he's not gonna be. I think he's gonna be himself. He's got his own name to make. Oh, Swant, that would be so evil if they decide to go 21 for all. That's just, I don't think they'd make it 21 because that's just evil. To get that, you would need You would need to get 2 excellence questions correct, and I think that's just horrible. No, Mars. Infinity -1 is Mr. Subramani at Roskill. I heard that he's going to do Infinity -1. Oh, triple E from the guy. Okay, look, I've got a. I will, Jay. I will. I will make the guys that actually attended all the crew, the old crew that attended all the live streams for the 15-hour live streams, like Lauren. If you get a triple E, Blake triple E, I've got to make a T-shirt. I mean, there's no choice. I have to make a T-shirt for you guys. A special edition triple E. I attended 15-hour playlist and got a triple E T-shirt. Yeah, why not? Someone, my prediction for cut score, by the way you guys are talking, it could be 2021. 21 cut score is a bit crazy. That's a bit mean. I'm hoping it's a 20. No way. Did the Lauren Harris method actually come to handy in integration? If you do want to buy the match, hang on. Let me just get the link. Where is it? I think I put it on my bio somewhere. Copy link. Copy link. Here we go. Oh, you stupid thing. I must have placed it somewhere. Sorry. Yeah, sure, Swant. I think you've like picked up a couple, haven't you? Where did I put the T-shirt one? Did I put it somewhere here? I must have put it somewhere. Where did I put it? There we go. Now, guys, look, just be honest with you. If you do order a T-shirt, just be aware that I am out for a while. But integration poll. Here we go. Integration poll. 89% pass rate, over 75% of you expecting a merit or a high. That is insane. Like, I don't know. Maybe, I think you guys will be hitting about 2021, I would say. Sorry, Jackson. But yeah, we don't actually step away from this. It's 25 miles to get it delivered as well. Who's Randy the Great from? Oh, Randy the Great for the gang at Rodney College. There we go. Shout out to you. Man, you gotta ask SpeedCuber to explain integration by parts, because I can't remember for the life of me. Alex B, tell me more. How many? So what? They were just spending time in the 15-hour playlist. Ezra, no, I'm about to create it for next year. I'm going to do it for, I'm hoping to do it for probability and possibly distributions. It's a bit risky because I've never done it, but you know what? Got to try somewhere, right? What's this integration coffee debate, guys? I need to know the question. Without the question, I won't be able to. One square root. Ah, Lucia, welcome. That is insane, Alex, because I was having a look at the stats. I think we pulled in 500,000 views just in the last 4 weeks, the channel hit about 500,000 views, and it was insane looking at some of the views over the last two weeks. Sarge, I had a look at the paper, Sarge, and I'm gonna be honest. Like, I mean, I can do a couple of parts, but the other distributions I actually don't know. So I'm gonna need to go through some Walker Matt's books and do some practice in there first to get the idea of it, and then I'll probably do some exam questions so I can get my head around it. And once I do that, I'll do the 15-hour playlist. It's K and minus 18 after 30 minutes. The coffee is 30, and after an hour it's 60. Wait, why is the coffee going up in temperature? Shouldn't the coffee's temperature be going down? Oh, is it the word question that... Well, if it's after another hour, Adidas Doug, then T would be 90. Because it depends on the wording. If they say after an hour it was this, then it would be 30, like T equals to 60. But if they say after another hour... Yeah, I was looking at the coffee and I'm like, man, that coffee is going up in a lot of its temperature. It must be one hell of a coffee if it's going up in temperature. Swant, I got a message from Mr. Walden. He's telling you guys to get back to studying for your other exams. I don't think they don't have one tomorrow, man. Unless they are doing Samoan. Is it Samoan language? Is it Samoan tomorrow? Calculus? Yeah, Tuesday it's Samoan. Or scholarship physics. Sophie, you could try. Yeah, Swant. Swant. Mr. Walden said, "Get back to studying." Sophie Kane, I think Mr. Weebly is the man for physics. Yeah, that's... Sorry, I'm just talking to one of the teachers from Mount Albert. Coffee is steam. Oh God, yeah, it's a good point. Yeah, Mr. Weebly, I still need to meet this man because I was once joking about how me, Mr. Weebly, and Alpha Adam should do a collab together. But to be honest, I need to keep talking about it. Look, guys, it's 8:30. I just thought I'd come in and have a chat. Looks like we had a pretty decent exam today. It was lovely hearing from all of you guys how positive it has been. And yes, I'm gonna honor the code here, J Crow, Blake, and the usual suspects that attended all those live streams. You get a triple E. I need proof of that triple E, and yeah, I'll make a special edition T-shirt. No, we're not doing a boxing match, man. I'm too old for a boxing match. You're welcome, Excalibur. Happy to help. Adidas, I probably would cheat with the physics paper. I'll probably do everything with like the formulas. I always cheat in physics. I use the formulas and look at the units to try and solve the questions. Yes, Lauren, it was a pleasure. I might see you Friday. Will be awesome. Yeah, I'll be... Complex and differentiation had 2 hard, messy excellence questions. Probably 19. Okay. All right. No, Cobbs, I'm not going to go through the paper because usually people have exams and I don't want to stress them out with it. Ezra, I see your message. I will try because I've got a conference on Friday that I need to prepare for. I'll see how things go. And yeah, I'll try and get at least 1 or 2 out. Lauren, aim for afternoon. I'm going to message the organizer now just to see if there's a space that we can kind of just hang out at. Because they've said, because there's going to be a whole bunch of maths teachers there anyway. You're probably going to see your guys, maths teachers there. So I will sort out the time and I will post it on Instagram and keep you guys posted there. The night the results come out for the papers. Oh, if you guys want to do a stream on the night the exams come out, yeah, sure, why not? Let's have a bit of a what do you call it? One of those sessions where you just kind of yell at each other and tell me, oh, I got this. Okay, I'll do that, J. Crow. We will do that on the night the exams come out. We'll do a stream. You might need to just message me because I'll probably be in holiday mode. Alex, no, that's what you got Mr. Walden for. Check out his YouTube channel, Calc WLD. Amazing resource for scholarship calculus. Football match? Dude, no, man. Like, Hey, I am trying to get to I'm going to leave Auckland at about 5 a.m. in the morning, and I'm going to get to Tauranga hopefully around 8. If I get there around 8, I think the conference starts at 9, and I'm pretty much staying the weekend in Tauranga. But my family's coming in the evening, so I'll probably be busy after that. But before that, definitely available. Yeah, I don't see why not. All right, cool. So with that, guys, take care. And no, Banty, no, I've thought about it, but there is a bit of a I went through a moment of craziness, but hey, dog. What? Yeah, so went through a bit of a craziness, and I'll actually post that video later. So yeah, but anyway, look, that's me. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you guys had a good time today, and I will catch you guys. No, wait, I just realized I won't catch you guys later. Maybe the exam times when the results come out, as J. Crow mentioned. We'll actually do a stream just to chat about the exams back then. All right, guys, till then, have an amazing break and good luck for all of your upcoming exams. Take care and look after yourselves, and make sure you rest up as well. Yeah, enjoy it, and see you guys later. Always, thank you for watching.